This is a Hidaka Combo that I got from Amazon.com. It was expensive. It was like $15, but that was the only genuine Japanese combo exported from Japan. And this is from Hokkaido, Japan. The north area in Japan is famous for producing kombu. In the back of the package, it says this is a natural kombu which was dried on the beach. And there's descriptions about how to cook kombu properly to get the good dashi. So pour 1 liter of water in the pot and about 20 grams of kombu, and I'll let it sit there for 40 to 50 minutes, and then cook it and take out the kombu right before the water boils. This one is a famous kombu brand in Hokkaido. It says select a premium Japanese kombu. This time I'm just gonna use just a few inches of kombu. I can just snatch it off the few inches. Don't need to wash the kombu. First I tried to snatch it off, but it didn't work. So I had to use a knife to cut it. So it's pretty strong and thick. I think the best way would be to chop it with scissors, like a cooking scissors, and then yes, it will take 1 second. I could have cut this portion in the video, but I just wanted to show you how strong this kombu was. Once you get the good size of kombu portions, pour water in the pot and simply put the kombu in the water and let it sit for about an hour. The instructions on the package says 40 to 50 minutes. Gradually, kombu soaks up the water a little by little, and then it gets very, very soft in the end. If I skip this step, kombu won't be cooked properly. It would smell like bad oceans, and then I would not get a good dashi. So here it comes. This is the original kombu. An hour ago, it looks like this. It's totally flattened out and softer. One more time, here's how it looks at the beginning. And then it's gonna soak up the water, and it's gonna grow bigger and bigger. And about 20 minutes later, it becomes like this. What's showing now is a bad example. If I boil the kombu like this, no dashi. Let's move on to tofu. I have this house food tofu organic, medium firm. I got from Amazon.com or Whole Foods. I recommend silken or medium firm, not firm. Firm has too much bitterness and baby will not like it. So this medium firm is okay. I cut them into like a dice like this and boil in kombu water or just normal water if there's no kombu water ready, because it takes 40 minutes to 1 hour to prepare the kombu. Make sure to take out the kombu right before the water starts boiling. The rest is easy. Just keep it cooking until the tofu gets cooked, probably for 5-10 minutes, and it'll be ready. Save the kombu for later. There are a few ways to enjoy the kombu, but I usually throw it away. So this is a silken tofu, the soft version. This is much preferable for baby. Cutting is easy, the same way. Boil the diced tofu in hot water, or I should say warm water, and take out the kombu before the water gets boiled. Now tofu cooked in kombu water is ready. This is basically it, but before serving, I want to make sure that the tofu is easy to eat. So here I put tofu dice and pour the combo water, and then break it down using the spoon. The combo water has a slight sweetness, and then with the tofu, it tastes good. Store in the fridge, not in the freezer. Okay, sometimes I use a blender to blend it all the way to mix the tofu and the combo water very well. So it's like a tofu combo water shake. I use this hand mixer. This is pretty good. I got from Thanksgiving sales on Amazon.com. I'd like to put the link in the below in the description area. It came with a container. This one. This is perfect for mixing. This holds the whole tofu and the combo water. As you can see, it became really smooth. If I don't use the container, I simply do it in the pot. This is just an easy way to do it. And I put aluminum foil on my side so that the splash won't be everywhere. So by doing this, I can make a tofu shake or a tofu soup. And it's different, but this can be a substitute for the milk or infant formula. I mean, not in terms of nutrition, just in terms of something to drink, something to hydrate the baby. Now it's done, it's super creamy, and because of the color, it can look like infant formula. Okay, lastly, another way to blend the combo water and the tofu is by using the baby food processor, like this Evla's food processor that I got from Amazon.com as well. The resulting mix became less watery, so it's a lot more chunks in it. So it's yes, a little bit different compared to when I used the hand mixer. So those were just a few ways to process the cooked tofu in combo water.